Have you ever uploaded a video and thought, why did this one get thousands of views while another barely got noticed? Or maybe you wondered, how does YouTube even decide which videos to show to people? A lot of beginners assume YouTube just randomly promotes. No, it doesn't. YouTube has a system. And once you understand it, you stop uploading blindly and start creating videos YouTube actually want to recommend. So today we'll be discussing exactly how videos reach audience. We'll be talking about the search method, the recommended method, and the YouTube homepage. By the end, we'll also understand why videos explode while others quietly disappear. Now grab your notebook because this one can genuinely change how you think about YouTube. Let's get into it. So here's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make: thinking subscribers are the main source of the views. For more successful creators, the majority of the views are from people who never subscribe. Now imagine you own a restaurant. You don't want your family members to be the only one eating there. Of course, you want strangers. You want strangers waiting to come in to eat. That's exactly how YouTube works. Your subscribers matters, but YouTube is constantly introducing your videos to brand new viewers. Also, YouTube studies both the viewers and the videos quietly, asking these few questions. What is this video all about? Who might enjoy it? How long are people actually watching it? Are viewers clicking? Wait, are they satisfied after watching this particular video? The better your video answer those questions, the more YouTube pushes it. And here are the principles worth remembering. YouTube isn't making creators famous. It keeps your viewers happy to the extent that they want to keep watching such particular videos. It keeps showing your videos to more and more people. It keeps taking your videos to meet a specific audience. So now, let's look at the first major way people actually find the video, which is the search method. Now, picture someone typing out to start a YouTube channel in the search bar. YouTube doesn't just grab the newest upload, but it weights your title, your description, your keyword, your engagement, your watch time, and overall quality. It brings out the newest videos. It brings out more videos about that specific thing you are trying to look for. That's how YouTube works. But search method is only half the story. Now let's talk about the recommended videos. The recommended videos, the up next videos and suggested list you see after finishing something on YouTube, is genuinely what most channels experience the biggest growth. Unlike search, viewers don't go looking for this, but YouTube shows up and hands it to them. This will make them come across these videos. It recommends a lot of videos based on their search. It recommends it to them so that they can see it and they can come across it. Imagine someone finishes a video about editing with CapCut. YouTube might then recommend a video about CapCut effects, editing, and making AI videos with CapCut. Why? Because YouTube is betting that the viewers enjoys the next topic. That is exactly what you should do when you connect to each other. It's one video naturally leading into the next. YouTube keep recommending your channel to such person. This is also why successful creators tend to stick to one lane instead of uploading anything and everything. If your channel is about AI too, don't post a cooking recipe today, football highlights tomorrow, and a travel log after that. It just confuses your audience and it confuses you too. Make videos that connect. So each one makes a viewer want to watch another one of yours. That builds what? It builds growth, which is called your watch section. The total time people spend watching on your YouTube after clicking your videos, the longer the section runs, the more valuable YouTube considers your content. But getting recommended isn't just about picking the right topic. People usually click on the first one. That is where your thumbnails and the title do the heavy lifting. No click, no reason for YouTube to keep recommending you, but strong click, strong reason for YouTube to keep recommending you, watch time, and your real satisfaction. So what builds YouTube confidence is in your video. So every upload needs three things working together: a compelling thumbnail, a clear curiosity, a driven line, and a content valuable enough to keep people watching your video. Get these three right, and trust me, your video is landing in a good recommendation jump significantly. A question note: if you want to speed up your growth with better editing, thumbnails, and AI too, Julijetek premium course and LinkedIn in the description. Recommendation don't only show up next to another video. One of the biggest places YouTube pushes content is the very first thing someone sees the moment they open the app. Two people can open YouTube at the same moment and see entirely different videos because YouTube suddenly notices who enjoys the video more among the two people watching the videos at the same time. It's facts that what you've watched before, topics that keep coming back to your channel, videos you like, commented on, and how much you spend on a specific content, how much time you keep watching on the content, how much time you keep recording, and how much time you keep sharing the content. If viewers constantly click your thunder watch, a solid chunk of the video actually engage with. YouTube reads that as a strong signal and it starts showing on your video on more homepage. It starts bringing your videos for more people to see, for more people to engage. That's click of the cycle. The more impression, the more click, the more watch time, the more recommendation, and eventually more subscribes. Here is the encouraging part. You don't need 1 million of subscribers before you to start recommending plenty of your small creators. Some has gone completely viral simply because what? They make something people actually genuinely love. They make things people want to watch, people want to see, people want to hear. That is why a lot of videos go viral. Your success isn't about the size of your channel. It's about where your content serves your audience. It is about how your content influences your audience. It is about how your content changes your mind, the mindset of your audience, positively and not negatively. So stop asking, how do I beat the algorithm, and start asking, how do I make my videos go viral? How do I make my viewers actually like it? So what you need to work with YouTube. You don't need to think that, why is YouTube not always promoting my videos? You need to create videos that will make YouTube want to promote your videos, that will make a lot of audience want to engage in your videos. With that, you are working with YouTube, because when you create videos that makes your audience happy, it makes YouTube happy, and it makes YouTube want to keep on promoting your video. So let's quickly do a little recap based on all what we've said. So we talked about the search method, we talked about the homepage, we talked about the recommendation. The search method, when you click on search method, when you look for a specific thing you want to search on the YouTube brings a lot of videos. It brings the newest, it brings the oldest, so that you can pick what you want. Also, when we talk about the recommendation, YouTube recommends lots of videos based on your search method. YouTube recommends videos that will help you, videos that you will have more interest in. That okay, let me click on this video, let me check on this video, let me see how this video is. So that's how everything works. Now the next lesson is your homework. I need you guys to spend 15 minutes on YouTube. Pay attention on how videos actually presented to you. Write down 5 videos that shows on your homepage, and 3 you find through the screen, like 3 you find through your search, and 4 each on your homepage, 3 on your screen. And just think, picture it in your mind that, okay, why is YouTube recommending this to me specifically? Why is YouTube bringing these recommendations to me? And that's your first assignment. Then I need you to compare. What is the difference between your search results and your homepage recommendation? I need you to compare the two together. That contrast is exactly what will make the lesson click. Was I able to contract everything together? Was I able to think that, okay, why is YouTube recommending this to me? And why is this on my homepage? Were you able to contract everything together? That means you got the lesson very well. That means you understand the lesson we just taught you. So you just build one of the real foundation and understand how it actually distributes your videos. So the next videos, I need you guys to start applying the exact principle on how to get your videos in front of the right people. See you guys in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel and also like our videos. See you next time.